Hello and welcome to Learning GitLab. This is a video course designed to developers and DevOps professionals who want to master software development workflow in GitLab and boost their productivity by putting their teams to work together. This course offers a hands-on approach to help you understand the DevOps culture and how to implement it using GitLab, with clear explanations and examples. But let me introduce myself. I promise it won't be long. My name is Bruno Lopes, and I'm gonna be the professor for this course. I'm a system analyst with more than 9 years of experience, mainly in Java and Groovy languages. Currently, I'm also working as a specialization teacher in Federal University of São Carlos, in Brazil. My lessons there are about Docker, a technology that you are going to see through the course that I really like. Other two things that I am a big enthusiast are DevOps culture and open source technologies, because in my opinion, they really give you the power to change the world. Feel free to contact me whenever you want by email or by LinkedIn. Now, let's see the topics that we are going to cover in this course. In Section 1, you will learn what is GitLab and how to install it using Docker and Docker Compose, of course. Section 2 will present the issue board, a very elegant and intuitive way to organize issues in your projects. Sections 3 and 4 are really hot. In these sections, you will see how to implement continuous integration and continuous deployment using GitLab pipelines. But not only this, we will take a look at how we can use GitLab to measure the times in each stage of our development cycle. Sections 5 and 6 demonstrate how we can install Prometheus, a really useful monitoring tool, and how we can integrate it with GitLab, so that we can monitor our environments. To finish the course, in Section 7, we will see how to create and publish static sites using GitLab pages, so that you can show your project to the world. In order to follow this course, it would be nice if you have a server with a public IP, so that you can install and use GitLab. During the course, I'm going to use a Linux server, so it is preferred. But you will be able to follow the course with a Windows or Mac server too. You must guarantee that Docker and Docker Compose are installed. Even if you don't know Docker and Docker Compose, I'm sure you won't have problems to install them. Another prerequisite is that you must have at least a beginner knowledge of Git and version control systems, since GitLab has Git as its core. Something that will really make the course more interesting to you is to have a strong desire for automation, because we are going to automate many boring and repetitive tasks. And additional information about the course is that all the code and resources used during this course will be provided at github.com/packagingpublishing/learning-gitlab, such as Docker Compose files, example applications, scripts, and course metadata. Alright, let's get started.